So here's the scope with the flat 6A installed. It's a pretty nice adjustable flattener, so you can get that back focus perfect down to the millimeter. To install that, you actually have to remove this piece. It was 3 grub screws to get this out. Had to remove this piece from the case to get my guide scope fitting properly. The 50 millimeter unit guide there. So included with your William Optics scope in the end cap here is the included batten off mask. Pretty nice for getting that pinpoint focus, and the nice William Optics emblem there. Another nice part is the fine focuser comes with a cap around it to protect it while you're moving it around. There it is, nice and red like the CNC machine part. There's my cat. Here's a nice look at the 3 elements inside the scope here. FPL 53 coated glass there, all 3 elements. That concludes the unboxing of my William Optics GT81. Love this scope. Also love the look of it, paired with the 50 millimeter unit guide there. I'll include the second picture I've ever taken with this setup so far. I hope you like it.